Lost your social security card? Here's exactly what to do step by step. First, you need to request a replacement with the Social Security using Form SS5. Then, gather your documents. You'll need a valid ID, like a driver's license, state ID, or US passport. If your card is lost but your information hasn't changed, that's usually enough. But if you're updating your name, you'll also need legal proof, like a marriage certificate or court order. Finally, submit your application. Depending on your situation, you may be able to start online, but many cases require mailing documents or visiting an office. This is where most people get stuck. With EaseGov, you follow a guided process that helps you prepare your SS5 form correctly, understand exactly which documents you need, and avoid common mistakes before submitting. If you want to get it right the first time, visit easegov.com and start your process with clarity.